So that would be the purpose. Yo! What's up, YouTube? TikTok, YouTube, we're doing it. A lot of people are little scaredy cats today. I don't want to trade, it's a bank holiday. What, bro? You've never freaking blown an account before. Saw your potty with Ambitious. Ah, nice, Dash. What did you think? Did you like it? Those dudes are awesome, man. I love those guys. Love those guys. What up, Lucas? No risk, no rara. Exactly. They are my mentors. Yeah. Solid potty. Yeah. Nice, nice. Beauty. This guy's by far the best trade I've come across. The way he comes live, the trade for free, yet everyone else wants to do it. It's a scam. Yeah. Live every day. Free with it. And just do the goddamn thing every day. I meant to take a buy over here, and as I came on, I just missed the entry, but it's all good. Then you do mentor people who use indicators to trade, or only those raw dog. I do mentor people, but people that come in to do the mentorship, which is the course, and they learn my strategy, you have to get rid of all that shit. You can't come into my mentorship to learn the system and then go, but I'm going to keep doing the thing that I do, which I haven't found success in order to integrate it into what I'm trying to learn. No, you have to like delete your mind and be ready to start fresh, adopt a fresh system. What up, Kelvin? Arr. I'm locked out. 2 losses, both hit further when TP was hitting. You caught a couple of trades today. Yeah, I haven't even looked at the charts today, Perry. Yeah, fair though if you're locked out. What up, Frank? Fair if you're locked out. Low volatility today? Well, you tell me. Doesn't look very low to me. Do you give signals, and how much is your mentorship? No, I don't give signals. Mentorship is a couple dollars. What up, Zest? So let's do a bit of a look here. Yeah, so I had this level marked out. I was waiting for a candle to break out and retest. Kind of got that. Well, I did get that with this candle. I had this retest here, and I meant to take a buy as it flipped. And as I came onto the computer, I was just a little bit too late, and it started to move up. So I was like, God damn it, I just missed my opportunity. Gold will hit 4K. Yeah. There was a moment in the interview where I thought you were actually mentoring the interviewers. No, it's an amazing, yeah, they're awesome guys, man. Oh, you got that, Frank. Beautiful. Nice. Frank's over here in the mentorship, so he was probably looking at the same thing that I was looking at. They were actually good trades. Both played out very... Really, Perry? Yeah, I'll have to have a look. Maybe after this, we'll have a look in the Discord. See where you were looking. Hi, Dan. I had the same levels marked out. Didn't think their retest was strong enough. Yeah, but the reason why, and that typically would be the case, but when it's at all-time highs, just due to personal preference, I'd be a little bit more aggressive with it. So that would be acceptable for me in this case. And that's just like an experience play, like just seeing how shit reacts around all-time highs over and over again. And yeah, I would have been willing to participate in that one. Love the interview, but the guys got heart trade in the 1 minute, and so yeah, no, it's just personal preference. Yeah, they trade the lower time frames. What up, CJ? Ariel. Loved the interview, especially your face of shock when they said he became profitable in 3 months. Yeah. What's cooking? What up? What up? What up? Big Thor, what up? What up, Jenna? How long did you study before starting to trade real money and gold? Study, bro. Connect. A couple months. Yeah, a couple months, and then jumped into some demo money and shit like that. A couple months. Where's the lovely background today? I could pull it up. It's probably a little bit too bright still, although it is raining. But yeah, I'll let it cook for a little bit longer. Wait till the sun goes a little bit down. Do you use any proven strategy? Do you use scanners for trading? Yeah, I do use a proven strategy, but I don't know what a scanner is. Oh wow, I've been in a buy since market open. Beautiful. Good pod, nice. Yeah, it's good that you guys enjoyed that pod then. That's sick. So gross, sorry. It's time to get sour strapped, son. Watch the interview after the stream, yeah. Thursday's the day my dudes. Oh yeah, you guys. The mentorship's launching on Friday. It's gonna be Friday now. I had to push it back a day. I had to. Push it back a day. It'll be worth it though. But I can't thank you enough, but thank you. Those clips, one reversal and continuation. Ah, nice, Sandal. Yeah. Where's the interview?
Doing any crazy amounts, but it has been green consistently.
Yeah,
and it's because I've just stuck to the
Big Wick Energy Podcast.
Yeah, it just continued
compounds.
on. Yeah,
And I say this all the time, like recently, when I say recently, the past maybe 6 months,
yeah.
it's just compounding. Like
Act.
best loser wins. Yeah, he has a quote. He says, "The number," because I read his book, and he says the number one when he was in the institutional trading floor and shit like that. He said the number one thing that I would see these high hedge fund traders lose on is when they would try to predict the top or the bottom of a trend.
That's what's up, my brothers and sisters. Bro, look at Raja Twitter. He took a buy before London Open. Is it okay to trade before London? Yeah, before London Open's okay. High volume time before London Open. How much mentorship? But I don't know. If you want to get in the mentorship, I'd say suggest come to Daniel Holmes Trade's website and jump on the wait list right now, because this will be gone. This might even be the last day that I have this here. So guys are on the wait list. You guys are going to get lots of kisses from me. Friday works too? Okay, nice. Yeah, no, Friday will be good. Yeah, that's good to hear, Perry. Handling the losses better. Good man. I would have already taken profit. So I was anticipating this wick fill here. Break, retest, and it flipped here. And I think it was like 20 pips to the wick. Yeah, like 17 pips. Poor Dion. No, not poor Dion. Trust me, brother. Trust me. I don't know how much margin you require. Yeah, fuck yeah, Perry. Is it Echo in? What's in the mentorship? My entire system strategy, and then a private Discord where we'll do live streams just for the Discord guys. We'll do a Sunday session. Just for the mentorship guys, and then we do a Sunday session every week as well. And the mentorship is, here's my entire course. Here's everything that I use to find success in trading. Also, we work close together. We'll be doing private live streams, and then Sunday sessions where together as a group we get together and on a seminar and just work on sharpening the tools. Like if you'll come out of the mentorship a completely different trader, man. That's the whole goal, is to get people profitable. Really, that's like really all it is. Your Dan pod was great. Awesome. Sick. Your story was cool. I hope to do a potty with them soon. Yeah. It'll happen, bro. It's just crazy how the world works, because I always envision like, man, imagine one day like getting to a level where I'll be doing like trading podcasts and shit. Just keep showing up, my bros. Keep showing up. My philosophy of life has changed so much in the last year. It's scary. Okay, who wants to know the secret to life? This is the secret to life. It's a 4-step process. Goal, daily habits aligning with the goal, removing negativity, and then living in alignment with your consciousness, with your conscience. Conscious meaning your conscience is essentially telling you what not to do. Do you know if I steal something, my conscience tells me that was a bad thing. If I go into an African jungle and steal like somebody's knife that's never had contact with a modern human, they'll still have that same emotion of, hey, somebody just stole it from me. This is a bad thing. So we're all kind of tapped into the same message. That message is, whatever you want to call it, you hear guys like Wes Watson and that say it's the authentic voice of God. Essentially, whatever it is, I don't know, but it does guide you. If you can live in alignment with that, remove negativity, have daily habits that align with the goal. It's just like this equation that works perfectly. And I'm only saying that because in the last year, I've just kind of lived in accordance to that. And everything's just kind of come to fruition. Dub yapping session, yeah. I'm yapping, but also doing. You're not even yapping or doing. You know what I mean? So get your shit together, my dude. $27 likes. YouTube, help a brother out with likes, and I will kiss you through the phone. You should look at Islam, you just described it. Yeah, I think that's most religions kind of describe that. The Bible describes it in the same way as well. It's kind of like embedded laws of the world. There's definitely rules to the game, that's for sure. Each time I listen to Jen's story, it relates to mine to the T. Wow, Kelvin. Brother, I'm a retard and I did it. You can do it 100%. You have to have an open heart. That ain't easy. What do you mean by you have to have an open heart? Oh, you're talking about religion. Yeah, I don't know. Buying is getting weak. Buying is getting weak. I can only see green, but you're telling me it's getting weak. Definitely don't take steroids. Can I make it with $100? No. You don't need any money. Yeah, Luke, it's a real bad way to go. It depends what type of lifestyle you want to live, but and your age. But at the end of the day, if you want to be like the highest performing individual, you can't be on steroids, bro. It's an addiction, and you're regulating your body's hormones externally. If you want to be the highest level individual, and you got to be able to, you can't have any vices essentially. Advice on approaching my first funded account: just go in, bro. Don't even think about it too much. You're gonna fuck up. You're gonna do this. You're gonna do that, and it's just gonna be learning. The only way you can do is learn on the job. Whatever I tell you now is gonna be insignificant in comparison to the lessons that you're gonna learn when you start the account. I found the same now. Mentoring traders this year. There's a lot of struggling out there. What is it, Thailand? What's the struggle in? Daniel, what are you looking for now? Red. Red. Yeah, I need a red candle. I'm going to move this level down to here now. This is our support level. And right now, I need red. I need to see a red candle print. Bro, what up, Armando? How much you start with? Nothing. You start by learning. Beautiful, Armando. Very nice, man. Looks like you're crushing it, my dude. What up, Harold? What is move on public holiday? What do you mean? The market's still marketing, my dude. Big Chris, what up, my zesty king? Pain now, pleasure later. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pick your poison type beat for sure. Yeah, pleasure's like... It's very rare that pleasure has any benefit, I've found. What's a good percentage target for your account aim for per month? I don't even know. Just... I don't even like to think it like that. Just show up. All you should really think is just show up, execute, stick to your plan, act like a professional, don't do anything impulsive, and then just let it compound. To be brutally honest. I think that's honestly the best way to go about it. Not to think, oh, this month I want to make 3% or whatever it may be. Like, the number one goal is, hey, I have a playbook, I have a system that I stick to and it makes me profitable if I stick to this system. My job is now to not break character. What does that mean? I know what I need to do. I need to act like a professional. I got 1 to 3 trades a day. There's no revenge trading. There's no over trading. There's no impulse trading. I'm strictly waiting to see a singular thing happen in the market, and then I can do my robotic act. That's it. Whatever happens after that is cool. Yeah, that sounds good. Urujan, that sounds good, man. No, I've taken no trades today. Dan, check your phone for New York time. Oh, wow. Thank you for the gift there, B2K. No, you got, bro, I hate when you motherfuckers waste my time. There's no delay. Please explain your trading strategy in 3 steps. Okay. Step 1, market open. Step 2, mark key areas of support and resistance. Step 3, wait for a candle to break above or break below a level of support or resistance. Step 4, wait for a retest. Step 5, wait for the candle to flip back in the direction of the retest, back in the direction of the breakout. Step 6, enter a buy or a sell. Step 7, put your stop loss above the current candle wick back within the range. Take profit moves down to the next zone or mark of the next level of support or resistance. Step 8, let the trade play out. Step 9, shit the bed. I like your strategy. Many people trade a lot and more, less results. I believe fewer trade. Yeah, just less is more. Keep it clean, keep it tight. Zest King, what up, Big Kai? Zestovsky the third. Bro, legit, Perry. Elite Trader, what is with you guys that write in capitals? Like, you don't need to do that. I love you, bro. I love you, but you don't need to do it. I don't know what you mean by what New York time. Wrap it up, boys. He explained everything. Yeah. People say that sometimes, like, bro, like, you're dropping too much sauce. I don't get it, bro. How have I got 145 on TikTok and also 145 on YouTube? Like, why is it so correlated? Yeah, but the reality is it's really not that simple. There are a lot of nuances that take time, but yeah. Hi, Daniel, do you provide mentorship? Yes, we launched this Friday. If you go onto my website, danielholmestrades.com, you will see the wait list. If you're really interested, I would suggest you join this today because this is going to be gone very soon. This might be the last chance to jump on the wait list. I like your teeth. Thank you. They're not real, but thank you. How to deal with emotions? Understand that you have an inability to deal with your emotions outside of the markets. So that's the first thing. You got to work on your personal psychology. Yeah, I'd really like this candle to flip green here. I need a bit of green before I can really you know. No rush though, because every time we jump on stream and people are like, oh man, and then gotta say patience, man. A setup will come, and if it doesn't, it's all good. But there's a high probability that if we stay patient, a setup will come, ladies and gentlemen. Setup will come. Dan, can you help me look at Discord? I lost that breakout, huh? Oh, okay, yeah, let's have a look. Did you post in the Discord? Let's have a look. Okay, let's have a look. So let me look at the candle that actually broke out here. That didn't break out. That was your issue there. Wait, did it break out on Forex? I'm assuming. Let's have a look at Forex. This is awesome that you're doing this, bro, because this is what a lot of people won't do. Okay, so on Forex, it looked like it broke out. Nice. Okay, let's do a bit of analysis here. We've got a nice breakout here on Forex. The next candle wick down. So if we put a line here and find out when did this next candle wick down. Let me put this line here. Go to the 5 minute. There's the breakout there. Yeah, this looks like it might have just been tough luck. It looks like it might have just been tough luck. This is a good trade. It looks like the first candle wick down. Let me check the 1 minute. I think that's the breakout. Yeah, the first candle wick down. Did it come? No. Looks like it was there. First candle wick down. Yep, came up, came back down. I honestly think, who said that? Mad Lord. Just from looking at this, it looks like it just, probabilities just weren't in your favor. I probably would have taken the same trade. And for whatever reason. But if you were to wait, I believe the 30 minute closed. I might have re-entered this. I probably would have re-entered this once that 30 minute closed up there. But yeah, don't kick yourself for that. I think this was a pretty good setup, man. I think that was a pretty good setup. It looks like on if you were trading futures, you would have avoided that because it didn't break out on futures. But no, I think that was a good setup. And sometimes just, you got to remember, man, trading is random. You can't win them all. Yeah, nice. Nah, no trades yet. So what this candle here closes in 1 minute. D Banks, what up, my brother? What up? Yeah, Graph got a gang of killers on his discount code. Nice. Yeah, very nice. Oh, that was one of your losses as well, Parry. Yeah, man, I gotta say, just from looking at that looked fucking pretty good. There was some more opportunities after that, but yeah, I think that one was just like rough luck. If I was a Forex trader, there was a high probability I would have taken that. What was the wick here? Yeah, wick's pretty big. Yep. I think that was just, you know, it was kind of a pre-Londonish time. If you were to play the devil's advocate, you would say, nah, that looks good. Yeah, that was good. That was probabilities, you guys. And maybe a bit of the randomness of dabbling in all-time highs. Yeah, I wouldn't kick yourself about that at all. No, nothing wrong with that setup. Yeah, I probably would have taken the same. Yeah, like on futures it didn't, Forex it did. Yeah. Elite Trader, I don't need to know the delay is because I just checked and it's like, it's nothing hectic. Yeah, I very likely would have given that a second chance on the 30. Maybe, yeah. But just being patient over here, waiting for an opportunity, waiting for an opportunity over here. So that was a 1 hour closure. The 30-minute bodies are still strong. 1 hour bodies, big and strong. Yeah, if you guys would have noticed as well, I don't know if that 15-minute candle breakout, it was a 30, it was a 15, and it was a 1 hour. Yeah, very nice. I definitely would have given that a second chance, I believe. That one would be worth analyzing a bit more, thinking about that a bit more. Leo, maybe, I don't know. I don't really want to go against this. In an ideal world, I'd kind of want to pull back and then a continuation up and take a buy. Idealistically. Buys gold pumping. Yeah, I don't care about the delay. The delay is like nothing. It's no big deal. No, I don't wait for the first breakout. Oh, if it happens, I just wait for a breakout. Period. Probabilities are cooking you. What other trade did you get, Perry? Drop it in the Discord. I think this was the one I was looking at. Yeah, this was the trade I was going to take. Fortunately, I missed that. I wouldn't have I wasn't planning to take it up that high, but fucking fair enough. There aren't any fundamentals. What's going on? What do you mean, bro? The market goes up or down. I don't know what a Torah is, bro. Not going to be much price action today. What do you mean? The market's moved up hundreds of pips already. There's already been a couple of pretty nice opportunities, but at the moment we're just green, so just going to have to wait if we can get a bit of red printed. Not take a breakout trade? No, I was a bit late to the party. That's the only reason why. Pushed up 400 to 500 pips since open. Yeah. Yes, sir. Are you a boxer? No. Did a couple boxing matches. Yeah, all the retail are frothing from the deck to take a short position. Yeah, Bitcoin had a bit of a surge, didn't it? It's kind of back up in this mid-high range over here. Some sort of range here. Very interesting. Could you imagine if, where's the monthly here? Could you imagine when the new month opened, like January, the new year essentially opened, which is right here. Could you imagine if we just, all of us just took a buy position on January 1st? What's happened since January 1st? Fucking hell. See, we're so dumb, you guys. Why did we not take a buy position on January 1st? We're terrible traders. JTG. Yeah, just keep Googling, brother. I just trade London Open, which is 5 p.m. Brisbane time. Wasn't meant to be, right? Oh, man. Crazy. Yeah, make a tradition to buy, open a buy position every January. Sunny in Brisbane? Nah, not really, actually. Not really. Hey, if you guys had the opportunity, where would you live in the world? Would you live in Dubai or in Puerto Rico for tax purposes? Does London really have volume today? Just measure the volume. Measure it. Dubai, Thailand, Malta, Mecca, Dubai, Uganda. La Vida. Switzerland. Oh, Switzerland is nice. Miami. But what about tax, man? Don't you guys want to avoid fucking crazy taxes? Logan. Nigeria. Tanzania. Live with you? Yeah, fair. Perth, Australia. Interesting. Uganda. It's just the tax is just so unbelievable. Dubai is not great for women. Oh, really? Dubai is the best for taxes, but everyone tells me it's not that nice as it seems. Yeah. Ethiopia? Kenya? To avoid VAT taxes, you ought to be business and not an individual. Yeah, it's easy to be a business. You can start like you can start a business for tax purposes in Dubai easy. It's really easy. You only get taxed when you show it. Yeah, that's true. There are no taxes in Uganda, really? Uganda. Look at me. What are you going to do now? Oh, let's have a look, Fez. Oh, okay, this was over here. Took an impulse there. That one wicked down. Let's have a little look over here. The first thing I would be thinking, Perry, is the very first thing I'm thinking right now. What time frame is this? 15 is that wait, you should start getting off Forex, Perry. But the very first thing I've been thinking, Perry, is it's a little bit in the death zone. Little bit death zoney. Oh wait, is this it here? Sorry. Yeah, it looks like, so we had that move up in Asia. That wick fill there, I would have just been aiming for because if you took an entry there, that's 20 pips to that wick. Should have closed there, like 85, move stops to BE. That's a nice trade, Perry. Like, I would have been a bit sus. I probably wouldn't personally taken that. You know, when we get that breakout with the support there, Perry, you want more like that kind of a candle, that smaller body with the tail at the bottom end. Look at this. This body's quite big and the tail's on both ends. But it's not a bad idea. I see where your head's at. But I think in terms of being like, oh man, probabilities keep getting me, I think there was room there for you know what I mean? For analysis. But yeah, I can still see it still makes sense. Yeah, the cost of living here is the same right now. Yeah. I want to be able to keep as much as I make, you know what I mean? I want to keep my money. Do you have a 2 set? The fuck's a 2 set? Yeah, you register yourself as a business, yes. Oh, I see what you're saying, Perry. Yeah, so it didn't have that kind of aggressive kind of push that you were anticipating. Yeah, I think in general, like that would have been more the setup there, Perry, that you were looking for. Bit too big, kind of tail at both ends. Yeah. That was all-time highs at the time as well. Couple of decent rejections. Mate, how come your Insta says 0 posts? Just wondering if you've been hacked. No, I deleted all my personal page posts. I just didn't resonate with any of the shit there. Like, it's just all old stuff that means nothing to me now, or brings no positive feelings to me at all. It's like, I'm probably going to delete that. I have 110,000 followers there, but I'm like, it just doesn't, I have nothing to do with it. Like, my purpose is like my business pages now, and like being involved in the community. Like that page just serves no purpose for me. Actually, you got 15 ticks initially, then dropped super quick. Yeah. You were kind of onto those reasons, Perry. Yeah, nice. Yeah. I think there would have been a decent argument to maybe potentially stand down there. Hey, brother, did you do mentorship? I remember I joined last week. Yeah, brother, there's a link in my bio, danielholmestrades.com. This is probably your last opportunity to join the waitlist. And yeah, I'll jump on my website. You'll see it straight away there. Yep, so we're just getting greenery over here, my brothers and sisters. So we, you know, the thing is, gonna need some red. Going to need a candle to be red, but if you can be patient, great things happen. Great things happen to those that are patient. Don't pursue your dreams like your fucking life depends on it. Just sit around and be patient. right? That's what they want you to do. That's what the Illuminati wants you to do. They want you to sit on scroll on TikTok and not pursue your dreams like your life depends on it. Those who wait. How do you dealing with the scammers of your page here? Do you know how I deal with it? Doesn't even go on my radar. I don't even think about it. Nothing. Because what are you gonna do? There's nothing you can do. There's zero things I can do about it. No, there's nothing. Like, even if you report the fake accounts, they'll just come back. They'll just spam. They're like a fucking disease. What up, Ivan? Big eye dog. Yeah, you guys, free Discord as well. And there's a link in my bio on YouTube and TikTok if you want to join the Discord community. I don't know. Can we see what is wrong with this trade? Yeah, we went through this a bit earlier. Looks like this got a few people. I think this, I probably would have got done by this, but I would have re-entered this. I would have given this a second chance, I believe. Well, I would have. But this was a good trade in general, I would say. You played a bit of a dangerous game with it being all-time highs. There wasn't very much of a wick on the top end. So there was potentially an argument, but I would have taken this trade. I would have got stopped out as well. And then I would have re-entered and given it a second chance because it came down and then flipped back up. But anyone that took that trade and got stopped out, don't kick yourself about that. I think that was a great trade. A great trade isn't a winning trade. A great trade is one that aligns perfectly with your system. Win, lose, or draw. Thank you, bro. I'm in Brisbane, Australia. Stay right there, Daniel. Almost finished, bro. %100 more patience since joining the Zest. Yeah, nice, CJ. Get that zesty patience, son. Just blew my account. CJ, happens to us all, my dude. I'm assuming that you're looking to take sells, so this is a lesson for you. When the market's moving up aggressively, don't try to predict the top or the bottom of the market. Just do what it's doing right now, which is just moving up. It's just moving up. And I'm not saying this to roast you, but just know it's what 95% of failing traders do. They try to predict the top or the bottom of the market, especially on gold. Everyone tries to sell against all-time highs. They just think, oh man, I'm going to catch this big pullback. It's not a good long-term profitable system. Just do what the market's showing you now. And right now it's showing us that it's moving up. Doesn't mean you just randomly click a buy. You still need to wait for an opportunity to enter, you know, where you can put a safe stop loss and things like that. But yeah, just wait. I'm really patient over here. Good. Can I buy? So yes. Oh, you re-entered? Nice. Dan FOMO into longs? Yeah, why not? Why not? Funny how I predicted this, but then got my stop loss and broke through. Predicted what? You don't win brownie points for saying I predicted where the market would go, because it can only do two things, up or down, right? But then you just said, but my stop loss got broke through. So there's no brownie points for saying I predicted. There's brownie points for saying, hey, I found an educated spot and a professional and disciplined spot to put my stop loss and my take profit, and I executed a nice trade. I've been blowing up my accounts for a very long time, and I'm only now profitable using your retest strategy. Thank you. Oh, nice, Excel. Hot diggity. I will be paying for the patience bootcamp. Let's have a look at NQ, someone said. Wow, NQ's dropping again over here. Very nice price action here on NQ, actually. Wow. Would have been a nice sell there. Oh. Yeah, so I'll tell you guys something over here. I'd really like to see something like this. I can take a buy around there type shit. We're gonna need it to give us an opportunity. That's right, what Pandemonium said. Would love to join and trade with you when you want to enter. Do it at your own risk, my friend. Do it at your own risk. Weather's looking nice. It's kind of overcast. Fuck it. What broker? Oh, he's a prop firm. That's interesting, CJ. How about a buy and have no stop loss? Go for it. Thank you, yeah. Love you, bruh. It's 100% right, Perry. Yep. All right, that's a good statement. I had a feeling this would happen. So many stop losses just got hit again. People are just convinced that it's going to turn around. It must turn around. There's no way the market can just move where it wants to move. It must do what I think. I'm smarter than the market. Yep, exactly, Bonjin. Can we enter a buy? There's no we in this equation, my friend. Should go through DMC is better in my opinion. What the fuck is DMC? Bro, I want to talk to you, bro. Can we talk on inbox? You're talking to me now, my brother. Trading your opinion is nice until your accounts are blown. Yeah. Yeah, so I think this is going to happen. So I'm going to press the button based on what I think. Oh no. Looks like my thinking not good. Dumb money concept. Direct message contact. Wait, what? What is DMC? What up, Derek? Doing amazing, my dude. Waiting for a candle to not be green. Hey, you guys, drop a like for the stream over here because I can guarantee. Oh, 70 likes. Wow. Can we get to 100? If we get to 100, I'll transition. If we get to 100, I'll transition. King Daniel, your content and live is so priceless. Thank you. Greyhound, thank you. I'm glad that you got something out of it. Or get something out of it. That's beyond more than I could ever hope for. So that's good to hear, brother. It's personal, bro. Can we please? Brother, there's nothing that you can say in the DM that's going to make any difference in it, either of our lives. So you're better off just saying it here. What up, Forex? Sent you a DM on Insta. Surely this candle closes red. Blue! God damn it! You guys. Honestly, next person that says something like, surely this has to happen. Surely that has to happen. I dare you. Because I've had enough. And next person that says it, ice, 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 ice. Oh, hey, Daniel. Surely this is the top, right? Dice! Daniel, I just took a sell. Dice! Right? Had enough! God damn it. Get off me! Okay? Oh, fuck. Yeah, so this is the type of shit I deal with. First live, let's get it. The first live, and this is what you just witnessed. Nice. Glad to have you here, bro. Sick potty, mate. Ah, nice, Matt. Glad that you like that, brother. Sick. Surely processed a retrace to the 4-hour FPG. God damn it. Surely not. Have you got any trades in? Shara? I have not got any trades in. You guys, free Discord, link in bio if you want to join the Discord community. Got a lot of traders over here. We're pretty active in the Discord, so join the community, my gang. Alright, so that was a 30-minute closure as well here. You know, in theory, you could say these 30-minute candle bodies are getting smaller, slightly. Fucking not by much. So we'll have to wait and see, I guess. Is that how you deal with anxiety and missing opportunities? No, I don't get anxiety from missing opportunities because I know another opportunity will just come. What happened to your chair, Dan? Yeah, I just decided to stand up because you know, sit down for a long time on stream and stuff. I was like, I think I'd rather stand. You're a silly sausage. Little snag. 2 years, Jose. 2 bangers. Did anyone see my video on YouTube?
To this person. And then
This
you
was
send
talking to
makes
the
6 months
traders,
learning. So when you do get to the point
taking
where you're
trading
ready to
calls.
invest
We'll do
money,
this every
bro,
once
you've got
on
like a
every
whole
weekend. We'll do
backed
this.
up database in your mind of all the shit you've been
So I
learning.
think there's some pretty good advice
Makes
there. You cannot box sitting, exactly. Do you do live trading? What are you watching? Appreciate your content, man. Been going for a year and 4 months, still struggling. That's okay, man. I struggled for 2 years. That's how you know the fake Dans aren't real. They'll say some shit like, you missed the trade. Because they never happen more than once. Make bank within the next 30. It sounds like you want me to enter a trade because you want to copy it. Not that you want me to make money. Any strat for passing top step though? Ooh, shit! Should we reveal the strategy? The strat is whatever got you to the dance. Saw the vid, great advice on there. Ah, sick, okay. Podcast out with them Kiwi boys was good, bro. Ah, nice. Thanks, MP. Yeah, sick. Yeah, they're legends. Good pod, good pod. Great guys. If you had a candle that breaks out, wait for the next candle to retest, but does not retest, only second candle retests. No, I typically won't take a trade unless I see a retest. It doesn't necessarily need to retest, but at least the bottom wick. If you're taking a breakout at a buy position, you'd need at least a bottom wick of some regard. Sweet as Luke. I heard Top Step is a scam. Who the frick did you hear that from? Not trading tonight. Bro, if the bridge turns red statistically, I've made the most dubs when the bridge is red. We missed the FEG? Shit. I'm grateful to have you here, boss. I've been watching these lives for months and every day I see Dan lose a tiny bit of patience because the questions make the question somebody else's nonsense. Oh, shit. Yeah, nah, it's all good. It's all good. Market's kind of playing silly buggers over here. Yeah, if you don't get a setup today as well, you guys, don't be surprised. Like, it's just I'll show you something I could imagine, I could see happening. Bro, Carmel, you think gold's ready to dump? You think that like, the market's an organic organism, and you understand what it wants to do next. Based on just, I think. Yeah, I think the market's going to do this now. Why? Oh, why is that? Oh, it has to. Oh, really? Have you got statistics backing that up? Oh, yeah. Green or red? Red. Well then, shut the fuck. Yeah, put simply, this is what I'm looking for. Whatever. If we can get a bit of a pullback to some regard. Pretty simple stuff, right? Something like this. Something like this. Pretty simple type 2 kind of thing over here. Just anything. Just need some sort of red. Even if we just got one red candle and the next one were to break above that, I'd be interested in a buy. But I can't do anything until I see red. I see red, I see red, I see red. Glad to have you be here on the live view of the most down to earth world. Thank you, brother. Good to have you here. You popped up on my For You page because this fabulous mustache. Ah. But I have a question to you. Why is gold moving up so aggressive lately? So much. Jasper, let me show you something, brother. I'm going to blow you. I'm going to literally blow you. Check this out. Each candle here represents 4 hours. Okay? Let's go back in time. Oh, wow. Look, we're moving up. Oh, wow. Look at this. We're moving up. Oh, wow. We're moving up. Oh, wow. We're moving up. We're moving up. We're moving up. We're moving up. Gold, historically, just moves up. Look at it. This is a daily. Each candle represents a day. What's happened in the last however long? Years. Gold's moving up. We're moving up. Why is everyone saying pause? So yeah, that's just what gold does. You got to understand this. The world's a mess, right? So no one knows what's going to happen. We're either going to get invaded by aliens. There's going to be another COVID. Like, there's so much shit that could happen. And what typically happens is people flock to gold as like a safe haven, right? The stability of gold's value. So with that, historically, people have constantly done that, and the value of gold has just consistently gone up. No, but this is the top. Okay. Show a picture of you jacked up physique when you were competing in bodybuilding days. If you guys watch the if you guys have seen the Big Wick Energy podcast, I'll tell a bit of my trading story there. Here's some jack ones. So let's have a look. These are like my bodybuilding days. Ah, the golden days. Yeah, your boy was sauced up, son. Your boy was sauced up. Natty. That was me as a vegan, natural, long distance runner, and I looked like that. Could you imagine if I used steroids and bodybuilded? Now look at me. I'm a loser. She'll never like me. Nah, that was me sauced to the brim on steroids, extremely depressed, hated my life, had no purpose, but my physique was big, so I don't know, pick your poison, I guess. So, I want a lecture from you, please. Okay, well then tell me something dumb you did and I'll tell you how to stop. I'm here for the comment. Why wouldn't you short all-time highs, Daniel? The old Daniel Wood? Yeah, bro, I know. I'm a freaking idiot, eh? God damn it. So dumb. You know something that's funny I was saying the other day is, you know, people talk about, oh yeah, catch the top of the bottom. Hey, you guys, you only know it's a top when the market's down here. You're like, oh, it turns out that was a top. Right? So yeah, it's not until it gets to the bottom then you go, oh, that was the top. But you motherfuckers are trying to, yeah. I don't need blown. Oh, that's why you guys were saying pause. Oh, yeah, whatever you guys are. Daniel Holmes, what are your thoughts on what goes up must come down? My thoughts on that are, it's not even a thing. Maybe it works in gravity, but not in the markets. Because if that was your analogy in life, and you were trading, let's say, you know, you were trading in 2019, January 2019, and you said what goes up must come down, you're still holding you're still holding a sell from 2019. Hey bruh, it's been going up for 6 years. Right? No, but what goes up must come down. Okay, all right. Keep holding then. Keep holding your trade from 2019. You're in like fucking $4 million drawdown. At least it looks like we're getting a bit of red here. This candle closes in a couple minutes. Aaron, are you still there? Aaron, did you trade today? What do you reckon about this volume? When's Aaron and Daniel stream? We're gonna do it probably next week. We're gonna do it next week. We were meant to do it last Friday, but then the markets were closed. Two fucking trading gurus didn't know the market was gonna be closed on a Friday. So that's what's up with that. If it's not you, it's AI, huh? What are you talking about? What stopped you from bodybuilding? Well, I did bodybuild for quite a long time until I got to a point where I said, man, I've been addicted to steroids for 8 years straight. There's literally no future in bodybuilding. What am I going to do? Like continue to bodybuild and continue to take more steroids just to jump on the stage again for nothing? There's no benefit of it whatsoever. Build body dysmorphia. Fucking, there's literally no upside to bodybuilding. There's no money in it. It's unhealthy. It's just an absolute nightmare. So best thing I did was stop. Did it ruin your test production? Yes. For about a year. I didn't feel right for about a year. It took about a year to get kind of leveled out. Genuinely, about a year. A drawdown of doom and just took a little scalp, but nothing huge. Yeah, nice. Asian. Yeah, okay. Yeah, Asia had a hectic. Yeah, nice. Okay, sick. Two in Asia, win and a loss. Loss shouldn't have happened. Bad trade. Yep. Trying to hold to B. Yeah, I took a sell in 2019. What happened with your course, mate? What do you mean? Course launches this Friday, so if you guys want to join the waitlist, this waitlist is probably the last day that you can have the waitlist, maybe today or tomorrow. There's a link in my bio, danielholmestrades.com. And I'd suggest you just jump in here, put your name and email. If you click that thing, it says name, email, that's all you need, and then you join the waitlist. If you want to learn the strategy that I use live on stream every day, I'd suggest you jump on that, my brothers. I did request, but no reply. Check your spam folder if you requested and didn't get a reply. Unless you did it today or yesterday night. Yesterday night, last night. Wow. Are there any natural ways to increase your test? Yeah, 100%. Clean eating, regular exercise. Don't be a degenerate. Just, yeah. You can increase your testosterone a lot just through that kind of shit. All right, sweet. I'm going to move my resistance level up to here. And that's all we've got so far. Honestly, I'm not going to lie. If we get a breakout above here, I might be interested in it. Well, I probably will be interested in a buy. Something like this. What does it look like on Forex? Yeah, same shit. Sick. Sugar Daddy, what up? Yeah, my course. Okay, so anybody that wants to join the course, all the course is I teach you how to find the top and the bottom of a trend. That's all it is. So it's just 2 segments. How to find a top and then how to find the bottom. That's all. So, yeah. How many trades? Yeah, 0 to 3 trades a day. That's right, Derek. 100%. 100 bands. Oh my god, it's a miracle we get him red. I found a top, his name's... Fucking hell. Ah, the bridge is blue. Newbies foaming from the mouth, yeah. You troll, bro? No, I'm dead serious, bro. That's what the entire course is. There's 2 videos, both of them go for 14 hours. And it's me just saying over and over and over, I think this is going to turn around. I think this is going to turn around. I think this is going to turn around. And then I just say it for 14 hours. And that's all. The name of the course is Trade What You Think, Not What the Market's Doing. I'm only joking. All right, fuck. Don't know how much to collaborate? 1,000 US. How can I get the course? You go to danielholmestrades.com and you join the waitlist. The course comes out late this week, in a couple of days. I would suggest you join the waitlist before I remove it. No, Sugar Daddy, you're not. There's nothing you're going to say that's going to make me interested. I don't really want to collaborate. Honestly, if we would collaborate, I'd say 5,000 US. And even then, I wouldn't want to. It's a Christmas tree. Yeah, Christmas miracle, yeah. 14 hours of study, bro. You know what? We pay out Luke Belmar, like, study, bro. Connect. But fuck, man. He does spit some bars, man. He is... Yeah, he does have some good shit. Connect, bro. Study, bro. Do you provide real money invests for your students in the course? So you think people join the course and then I say, congratulations, you've joined the course. Here's money of mine for you to go trade. Is that what you mean? That would be wild if that's what you mean. That's so good. Congratulations, you've joined the course. You just win 10 grand to go trade with. Have you heard about automated strategy? It makes 5. Yeah, I don't know. Surely. Makes me want to join. Price for course? Yeah, the price for the course is a little bit more expensive than I was going to do it. So I was going to do it an upfront fee and then a monthly fee after that to stay within the Discord community and stay within the... you know, the whole thing, but I'm just going to do one upfront fee. It's a lifetime fee and it gives you access to everything forever. And then once you're in the community, yeah, we do our live trading in the community and then we do our Sunday sessions and you get real personalized work, which is going to be awesome and I can't wait. I honestly can't fucking wait, you guys. I literally can't because I already love it as it is with the Discord that we have or the mentorship side of the Discord because everyone's got the same thinking cap on. We're all looking at the same shit, right? Or like we're all adopting the same strategy. So when we communicate, we know what we're all talking about. So when I've got more people in there and we're all just fucking smashing it together, it's just I'm gonna be frothing from the dick. Because again, my whole goal is make you motherfuckers profitable, right? So I'm gonna be working real close with you guys on that. So yeah, if you want to join, I'd highly suggest you join this waitlist here. We're gonna be launching this week and yeah, that's what's up. Felix also made fun of Luke. Daddy Brown. How much? If you're asking how much, it's not for you, bro. If you're asking how much, it's not for you. And I don't mean that to be a dick. It's just the truth. It's the red candle we're waiting for. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Let's go. Fuck yeah. What's the fee of joining the course? Like I said, if you're asking, it's too much for you. If you're asking, it is too much. Oh, 15 minutes. Guys, it's hitting the 15-minute fair value gap. Load up the account. Have you heard of Sharma course with 10K real accounts for students? Yeah, in my dreams. Congratulations, you've joined the course that costs 10K. In exchange, I'm going to give you 10K. So guess what? I make no money. That's an excellent business model. You know why that's so dumb? Because one, it's not true, and two, you just trade demo. Because like if you just give somebody that doesn't know how to trade $10,000, they're just gonna blow it. Plus they have no respect for it because it's not their money. It's like, it makes no sense, brother. I don't know what that is, but I want to learn and get money. Yeah, you got a big road ahead of you, my bro. But yeah, for sure. Love the honesty. I would love to join if I had the money, but I would just stick to these. Yeah, you're gonna need, but you guys that want to take it like really serious and join a mentorship and, you know, take it to that next level, you're gonna have to be able to invest some money, right? So here's a 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hours leaving a big wick over here. What does it look like on Forex? Yep, big wick on FX. Wow, we're really dropping over here. Look how much we've dropped over here. 120 pips, 130 pips. Please, sir, how can I learn from you, please, sir? You're learning now. We're on stream. We're on stream, brother. This is it. This is one opportunity. Like, we're doing it, man. It's funny, I made a video and I was talking to traders and stuff on the phone on the live stream, and there was a guy saying, man, I really want to change my life. I want to leverage trading as a thing to change my life. Like, I need to get out of this restaurant. I need to change my life. I'm getting older. And I said, awesome, bro. This is a great opportunity for you to do that. But hey, bro, start now. Start tomorrow. Like, why are we fucking around? Like, start tomorrow. Oh, yeah, I will. No, yeah, I'll start tomorrow. Oh, like whatever shit happens, start now, bro. People like yes, you have time, but you also don't. Like, why do we fuck around in life so much? You know what I mean? Like, let's get at it. Let's get at it. Like, let's really get at it though. Seriously, man. Why are we out here fucking around? Study, bro. Kamal called the top down. He really did. You mean he said, oh, there's a probability that this can do one or two things, go up further or go down, and the price goes down for a bit. Can you tell me what keywords of trading you mean? Yeah, just Google it, bro. It's easy. ChatGPT. I don't know what CRT is, bro. Sorry. There is no tomorrow. Exactly. Yeah, nice, Ari. As soon as I came across this, I was in immediately. You can't wait to be ready for something? No. It's what broke people do and like shit people, like people that just aren't, they're just kicking rocks, right? It's always, oh yeah, like the idea of this is good. but then never actually act on it. That's probably my superpower in life. Like, I do everything that I ever think. Like, I just do it, whether I fail or not. Why not? Just do it. Just do it. Wait, what's that fucking thing? Oh, fuck. Right, this is my philosophy. If you want to do something,
do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So
Do it!
just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it! Some people dream of success.
you motherfuckers are fucking around, man. Oh, I'll do it tomorrow. Oh, I'll do this. I'll invest in this. I'll reach out to that mentor. I'll do that course. I'll fucking study that shit. Do it! Just do it! You guys are gonna die, man. Like, at the end of the day, right? We're all gonna die. Like, what are you waiting for, bro? Stop being such a bitch. Honestly, guys, a lot of you guys are bitch. Like, I'm only saying it from experience because I've been that guy, but a lot of you guys are bitches, man. Just do it! You know what I mean? Success isn't going to come to you, man. You're going to have to fucking hunt that bitch down. Should I buy a course? Well, it's, at the end of the day, it's going to speed up your process, so it's up to you, man. Would you do a boxing? Would you compete in a boxing match without a boxing coach? I'm all in. However, monthly would be easier for some people. Yeah, I agree, but yeah, I just decided I'm going to be doing it this way. I decided I'm going to be doing it this way, and have a team of like some other people helping me with it and things like that. And like those that are going to be willing to invest a little bit more for this one-off lifetime fee, I know that they're really in. A couple of $100 isn't enough for some people, honestly. And the value that they're getting out of this, like I said, the goal is to make you profitable in this game so you can make fucking how much money you want. And then you can teach. You can, like, the idea is I teach you, you get to a level, you help yourself, you change lives, and then you teach others. It's a revolving thing. It's just dun 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 dun. We're all helping each other. At the end of the day, when you die, what did you do? You helped other people. That's all you can really do. That's the only thing you can really feel fulfillment about. At the end of the day, you can only get a level of fulfillment about yourself by doing your own shit. It's really soulless when you only think about yourself, to be honest. Like, I've never felt good when I think about myself. It's always when, oh yeah, I did something for somebody else. That's always the way that you feel the best. It's the only time I've ever felt the best. All right, this candle's about to close here. There's a 30-minute, 15, and a 1 hour. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Did you have a mentor? Yes. Yep, I had Raja. Even Aaron Trades. Aaron Trades helped me out in the early days. Aaron Trades helped me a lot. Would you start looking for a wick down and a flip on the next candle? Wick? No. No, there's nothing we can do just yet. Yep. Yeah, we'll see what we can do, Bruce. I'm in, Dan. Looking forward to getting started. Yeah, awesome, Paul. Awesome, bro. Entering longs, of course. When the market moves down, people are entering longs. When the market moves up, people are entering buy. All right, we've got a resistance level. We've got a candle coming down here. I would love for this next candle to close small body red. Can I buy your account? Yep, 100 grand. 100 grand you can. 100 grand US. Because I'll just start a new one. I told you 80. I don't care what you told me. 100 grand. Come on, 80. Brother, at the end of the day, we're just, it's not even, we're just joking. Like, a kid messaging in the DMs named PRZ Trades isn't going to pay me $80,000 for an account, right? So, yeah. Can your broker manipulate your trades? Jasper, I love you, brother, but your broker does not think about the amount of funds that you're playing with. They don't care. They don't think about it. Yeah, they don't think about it. Oh, I've got it on the back burner, Derek, to be honest. I probably shouldn't have even bought it. I don't even care, but I'll probably full margin it soon because I think I'm just going to stick to what I'm doing, which is Bullinox top step. Yeah, righto, PRZ. Funded. So let's see how this candle, what do we got? PRZ, you don't have 80 grand, bro. 80,000 freaking rupees. Just do it. Yeah, FTMO was good. Only have 14 days to pass. Really? Fuck, is it 14 days up? No, it hasn't been that long ago. Damn, I'm gonna full margin it. Yeah. Yeah, okay, PRZ. Where are you from, basically? Hey, where are you from, basically? Ah, Brisbane, Australia. Yeah, I'm from Kenya. I'm African. Is that bad? What? Hey, bro, I'm African. Is that bad? Hey, you guys on YouTube, make sure you drop a thumbs up for the stream, my friends. Oh, 95 likes. Get me to 100 likes, you guys on YouTube. Please, please, please. 100 likes. 100 bands on YouTube. Get me to 100 bands. I finna get 100 bands. I finna look at entering a buy if we get Alright, so this is the closest support level. What's the range below this? Yeah. If this, I'll be patient here for a little bit. I'll be patient here for a little bit. We could get an opportunity. What's finna? What do you mean? It's just English. Time to call mum, let her know she's eating. You got 122 likes? No way. Mom! Red panty night. Oh, wow. Set up on the type 2, close bullish. No, I'll show you what a type 2 would look like. All right, this is what there's two things I'm looking for. Let me black this out real quick. I'm looking for potentially a type 2, which would look like this. Would see signs of weakening. I want to see that level retested relatively good. Essentially, the next one kind of flip back in the direction of the overall momentum. Something like that. And then I would look at taking a fucking buy position there, riding it back up. All right. Alternatively, if this current candle were to maybe close, maybe something like that. I don't know. And then the next candle were to break below this level, or just some sort of candle break below this level, I'd be interested in taking a sell down to this level here. Or alternatively, something completely different can happen, but I'm not mad at where we are now. I think we've got a bit of shit to potentially play with moving forward here. So we'll have to see what happens. Which strategy? Price action. What's the best trading platform? Trading View. Just do it. But yeah, if any of you guys want to know a bit more about my trading journey, I would suggest you check out these guys, Big Wick Energy.
That game, it's a dangerous game to play.
I did their
Watching the
pod.
one.
Charts, right?
And
I started reading. I never read books. Started reading books about.
And I went through like a lot of my trading
self-development.
journey stuff.
Started reading the Bible.
Dub pod, yeah, nice. Yeah, it seems like a lot of guys liked that one. The pod was good as. Yeah, nice, Jordan. Sick. Sick as. If in the podcast you made any memes like to this day, I did make a meme. I did say something. When did they post it? Yesterday. How do we feel about Dan just shadowboxing for the awkward? Sick podcast, really helpful. Thank you. Ah, nice, John. Mad. Mad. You trade like Don, Nick? Yeah, I would say you could say it'd be relatively similar to those guys in comparison to others. Yep. Actually, I don't know about Don. I never really knew much about him, to be honest. Donna Kebab. Oh, thoughts on TGR? I have zero thought. I know nothing about him. All I just know is that he's like a young dude that's rich on crypto and ICT as well. I think he does ICT. Enough to feed your entire family, Niho. Enough to feed your entire family. But the price of groceries though at the moment, maybe not. I went to get some lettuce and it was like $7. I was like, what the fuck? Oh, morning Carolina, good to see you. Good to see you. Did you full port short? Thoughts on trading pool? Again, I don't know nothing. I know he's local, like he's an Australian kid. So I don't know anything about him either. What's the Greek goddess I'm blessed with? What up, Wick kid? Whiz kid? Why don't you sit? I used to, but then I'm like, man, I don't want to sit in a chair for 2 hours. Man, I've been so fucking sore from standing though, but it's good. I need it. I need to be standing. I sit too much. Yeah, bro. Hi, sir. Would you like some leaves that just grow out of the ground? That'll be $7. It's like, fucking hell. What are the lighted blue buildings? No, it's a bridge. Bro, how do you look at that and say that's a building? What fucking building is built like a bridge? Just entered a cell on an inverse FVG. Am I cooked? Yes. You're only cooked because of no, I'm only joking. I have no idea about FVG shits. Yeah, you haven't, Carolina, I noticed. Need coffee? Yeah, I had one before. I need another one. Dan, let him cook. Yeah, fair enough. At least the FEG guy didn't say he took a buy. What time is it by you? By me, it is 6:12 p.m. That's the time by me. Am I wrong to be in buys? You're never wrong. It's just, it's about what your system or strategy tells you to do, really. It gets dark in Australia by 6. Yeah, the colder it gets darker quicker, I guess, yeah. In summer, it's a different story. Just do it! What strategy are you using? I'm using the divergence crossover freaking FVG, inverted FVG, find the top method. Nah, just price action, brother. Is this a type 2 setup? Maybe. I'd like this body to be a bit bigger red. And I would have liked a bit more of a wick at the bottom here. Don't really like this. Yeah, you got to be a bit sus when you get aggressive movement down like this. And then kind of like, you know, to expect it to just move back up, which obviously it can, but I would want to see like a gradual loss of momentum, not just an abrupt change. You dig? Hey, you guys on YouTube, make sure you drop a thumbs up for the stream, my brothers. I'm live every day. Every day, bro, with this Jake Paul flow. So, you know, if you're into that type of shit.
Just drop some every day, bro. It's every day, bro. I said it's every day, bro. You know it's Nick Compton and my call is
This hits hard.
Yes, I can rap and no, I'm not from Compton.
Oh.
England is my city. And
Whoa.
if we team 10, then
Whoa.
the US would be shitty. I'll pass it to Chance.
Worst song ever made. Yeah, I know it was worst song ever made. Okay, bye. So where do you get your news fundamentals from? Just a website called forexfactory.com. It'll show you when red folder news and shit like that's hitting. Forexfactory.com. You were traveling? Oh, okay, Carolina. Yeah, fair. How much did you fight Jake for, and do you think you could get him out of there? No, he would kill most people. He's really good. He's been training with the best trainers, nutritionists, everything for years on end. He would destroy most boxers. The thing is, if you're a rich kid and you come into a game like boxing, but you're also like a naturally athletic dude, you've got endless amounts of money, so you can just hire the best coaches in the world and then just focus on it solely, you're gonna get really good. It's every day, bro. Is that a new support? Oy. Good question. Not really. Yeah. Not making it easy for us today. I'm going to leave this here for now, but we'll see. We'll see. It's not making it easy. Yeah, I could see this continuing down, though. I could see this continuing down. I could see us continuing down, but I can't take it. Do Muay Thai, bro? Nah. Maybe, actually. Yeah, maybe. It's a big... Yeah, maybe. I really want to do MMA, but my back's still fucked. I had 2 back operations about a year ago. I was fucked, man. My back's still cooked. Only fair fight was Tommy and he lost. A lot of waiting around today, especially also. Yeah. Bro, show the whole screen. If you want to see the whole screen, you guys on TikTok, come over to YouTube. Live on YouTube right now. You can see all the shits. What's a 30 look like? So that was a 30 closure. This 30 closes in 11 minutes. Yeah, let's just continue to exercise a bit of patience and just like patience over here and just see what can be presented. Let's just exercise a bit of patience and see what can be presented over here. I think would be a decent idea. Are you using Raja's strategy? Yeah, I guess you could say similar. Like there's similar strategies and things like as a similar entries that I would use. That you could say would resemble Raja Banks. Raja Banks, Dominican markets. This is my impression of Raja every time he puts a sell stop or a buy stop at Red Folder News. Oh no, no, no. Bro, how accurate is that? If that's not the most accurate fucking Raja Banks impression of all time, I don't know what it is. This is me, Raja Banks. Sell stop, buy stop. Ding, ding. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, that's so funny. No, no. Okay, let's see how much we lost here. Oh. Okay, I'm still up for the week. Type 2 incoming? Not really, bro. Not really. So the type 2, you would want to see it. It's the concept is a gradual loss of volume, right? We get a gradual loss and then a sign that it's not only losing, now it's flipping back in the opposite direction. At the moment, what we got is just it came down aggressively and then just kind of stopped, right? It didn't show signs of a gradual loss. It just showed signs of a stop. Are you live on YouTube? Absolutely. If you look at this shit here on TikTok, you can see the information about the live stream on YouTube. Oh no, no. Oh, what up, MC? Big M dog. Blood imprinted on Roger. No, no. Oh, that's so good. Daniel Casino, when will it be? Oh, I've done a few Daniel Casinos before, yeah. I've done a few Daniel Casinos before. I guess it's fun, but then you kind of promote retardation. Love the energy, brother. Keep on delivering great content. Thank you, Edward. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you, brother. How was the potty with Riari? Yeah, bro. Amazing. Amazing. Great guys. Awesome guys. Awesome guys. We did a really good potty over there. Again, if you guys want to learn more about my trading journey, just did a
In the
potty with
Bible.
Big Wick Energy
And
podcast.
just like, I don't know, man. Trading made me, I had to become a better person in order to get profitable. I'm being
Ooh.
dead serious. Are you guys laughing about that? Have you found that as well?
Oh, bro, we talk about it all the time on the potties.
Really?
All the time. Yeah.
Bro.
That's crazy.
So yeah, did a potty with these lads and it was really good. If you want to check out their page, their YouTube is called Big Wick Energy. Not to be mistaken with Big. But yeah, no, it was good. I might be wrong, but I think Nick called a celery. Nick called it a celery play. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure. We'll see. I guess on Forex, nah. What camera? ZVE10. Daniel, best mentor out there. Thank you, brother. You gonna make a few pounds today? Not sure, bro. Just waiting for a setup. When's the big stream with Aaron gonna be? It's gonna be next week now. We're meant to do it last Friday, but the market was closed. And this week, you know, I'm launching the mentorship and things like that this week, so I really want to focus on that. So yeah, hopefully we'll get it done next week. I'm new to trading, don't really know where to start. Any advice? Hey, brother, Lucien, I would suggest if you were to jump on my YouTube page, which you're already on, and look at the latest video I posted, I talk a lot about that. I take calls from traders, and I give a lot of advice regarding that. Fuck me, my chat in TikTok is just spam with buy or sell. Like, are you guys retarded? Honestly, man. Like, I have to ask. You ever had people you went to school with asking you to put them on with trading? No, not really. It's a weird thing, actually. Like the lack of people that have wanted to be put on. I'll be honest, man. Most people just kind of have given up on the concept of pursuing an ambition that would elevate their life. Most people, and I'm 34, right? So you got to understand that most people, when they get around my age, they've already been beaten down by life, bro. You really think they still have it in them to have self-belief enough to push through the adversity to achieve something grand? Not really, bro. A lot of people have lost hope, man. A lot of people have lost hope. Imagine 40, yeah. So I haven't got it much. I haven't got it much. Which is surprising to me, because if I had a friend that knew how to trade and, you know, essentially found a ticket to escape the matrix, and I'm saying that because I know I'm just being a goose, but you know what I mean, I would be all up in their shit, bro. I would be all over their dick. But no, not me. It's called forexfactory.com is the news site. Is the mentorship suitable for newbies? Yes. Yep. Pause. Never lose hope. Yes, sir. No, definitely for months I was in the lives picking your brains. Also, I still think you're trolling when you say you're 34. Won't believe until I see verse 2. No, I am, brother. Follow your strategy and psychology, exactly. Bro, I'm a beginner and I don't know how to identify when to make a support and resistance. Just keep researching, brother. Keep researching. Any family members trade? No, not at all. So I grew up in, I talk about this in the podcast, I grew up in a suburb called Beenleigh. It's like the fucking low income, very low income area. When I grew up there, it was the #1 crime rated suburb in the state. So I didn't grow up, there was no one in my upbringing that I ever seen have any form of success. It was always low income, drugs, alcohol, crime. Like my brother went to jail at the age of 17. That's how bad shit was at home. Actually, everyone in my family's been to jail. So, you know, I know a lot of people have upbringings like that, and it's kind of up to you as an individual to discover your path, right? Especially if you've never seen it around. Like, I don't think I've seen a dude in a suit till I was like 22. You know what I mean? And it's kind of up to you as an individual to escape the matrix, essentially. Well said, bud. Yeah, you gotta rep and 407 exactly, my dude. But it's sad, man, because even when you think back on all the lads from that era or that place where you grew up, a lot of them just became drug addicts and stuff. And it's just like, it's just fucking so weird, bro, when you think about it. When you think about life and how life works, it's really like life is just a series of choices that you can make, and each one takes you in a different direction. That's it. Multiple choice constantly. You're constantly being faced with multiple choice options. And you got to be pretty diligent about the choices that you make, because they can take you down a particular road. Bullshit, you're 34? Yeah, I'm 34, bro. But surely now that you have a way for them to change their lives. Yes, okay, great question, CJ. So your question is, hey, I get it, but now you have a way to change their lives. Surely that you can do that. Let me ask you this. How hard is it for you as an individual to make a choice and then execute on that choice that would change your life dramatically? It's really, really hard. Like almost impossible. It's really difficult to change your life because it takes action steps and you have to wake up every day and do the thing that's going to change your life. Now imagine you trying to change somebody else's life. It's almost impossible. So as much as I would love to help people, there's only so much I can do, my brother. But I'm all arms. If anyone ever needed guidance in any form, I would love to help, because I truly believe that the only level of satisfaction that I ever feel in life is when it's about other people. That's just from me doing self-analysis and trying to gauge life, really. I've found that the only time I ever feel good is when I've helped other people. I don't get shit out of helping myself. When I think about myself, I actually fall into like a bad mindset when I think about myself. Anytime that I think me, it never leads to the right things. It doesn't lead to the right shit. How do you overcome parents keep rushing you to get married? I'm frustrated, man. Yeah, I couldn't relate with that. I'm not sure, brother. I've never had an issue. I've never had that type of thing. The question is, how badly do you want everyone needs to answer themselves? Yeah, exactly. It's like when people forget, though, that it's likely... Yeah. Yeah, Australia definitely has ghettos. You changed my life, though. Interesting. So a 30-minute closure like this. 1 hour still open. Let's see what this candle can do. Let's see what this candle can do. There's no clear indication just yet. Just be patient. If you guys are here to be patient, not to force anything, just be patient. We'll see what's up over here. What stopped you from going down the same path? That's an interesting question. I truly believe that the older I get, the more I come to the realization that there's one more component about life. And it's like, and people will switch off when they hear this, but there's definitely some sort of spiritual component. I don't know what it is. I know that conscious has it. I know that your conscience has something to do with it. Like there's this call from your conscience constantly, but there is some other component to life which I have no idea what it is, but it's typically telling you what's right or wrong. And ever since I was a kid, I knew that I didn't want to follow the same path as my parents and the others around. I knew I was a bit different. I had to do something different. It was always there. I didn't know what it was, but I knew what I wanted, and I wanted something different to what everyone else was doing. So I think I was lucky in that sense, to be honest. There was always something there that was telling me, hey, this isn't right. And I still fucked around. I ruined my teenage years. My teenage years and my early 20s was still really bad. I was a really bad person, I guess, just making all the wrong decisions. And I honestly didn't really get my shit together until I was 30. I'm gonna be brutally honest, man. Like, I did a lot of work on myself, but not to the level I needed until I was 30. You remind me of myself so much, bro. Really? Yeah, man. Like, and when I say that, I mean, when I got to 30, I realized, hey, I'm 30 years old. I'm not where I want to be in life. I still have a lot of shit, whatever. I realized I needed to change the philosophy in which I was looking at life. It's really that simple. I needed to change the philosophy in what I looked at life. Life isn't just what you don't just get thrown around by life. Like, you have to build a formula to the shit. It's really a game. It's a game. Bro, is trading worth it, or do something else because it's just a loop? I wouldn't say do something else because it's a loop, but I would say do something else because it's really difficult. Most won't make it, bro. Most won't make it. You could have entered earlier, bro. Laugh face, laugh face. Bro, you're a retard. How come the course is pay to win then? It's not pay to win, it's pay to get. You don't win it, you get it. Hey, you guys on TikTok, if you want to jump over to YouTube, I'm just going to continue this on YouTube now. It's the same name as my TikTok name. It's the same name as my TikTok name. I'll see you over there right now. I'm live on YouTube. I just scrapped TikTok. I grew up in WA in the late 70s. They passed a law preventing teachers from hitting kids in the face, so uppercuts. Thanks for your openness. Pleasure. I truly believe some people just don't want to be helped. Bro, 100% people... There's a huge portion of people that just don't want to be helped because it's extremely comfortable to just be a loser. It's extremely comfortable to be a loser. You just get to chill out and do nothing. But you pay the price internally. That's for sure. Universal laws, brother. Absolutely, man. Yep, nothing really here still. This level can go to here. Actually, what's the range? Nah. This is the thing. If you measure your range and say, okay, look, my support level's there, and then you go, okay, well, I'm looking to take a sell below here. What's the next range, which is right here? You measure the distance and you go, fuck, it's only like 15 pips. You can't do it. Because you got to ask yourself, what's the probability that price is going to have a reaction off here? Pretty fucking high. And is that reaction enough to take me out of the trade? Is it going to bounce off and take me out? So in cases like this, you just move that to the next closest level where there's clean range below, which is there. Why don't you use a 5-minute as your entry? Because it's just not needed. I don't even look below the 15. Hey, you guys on this YouTube stream, make sure you drop a thumbs up for the stream, my friends. Drop a thumb dog. Get thummy with it. Smash that subscribe button and throw a fucking pot plant at that subscribe button. Who hates the rich? All hands go up. Next question. Who wants to be rich? All the same hands go up. Exactly. I love what Wes Watson says. He says all these guys that work 9 to 5s claim how much they hate rich people, or they don't want to be rich, or they don't care about money. Yet they wake up at 6 a.m. every day to do something they hate for their entire life for money. So you can't say, oh, I hate money. Fuck people who make so much money. It's not all about the money. Yet they wake up and do something they hate their entire life for money. I thought that was an interesting take. Bottom wick. Even if it was a bottom wick, I can't take this. Isn't a trade. Oh, you came over from TikTok to the YouTube. Nice. Good to have you here. Good to have you here, friend. Is that 4-hour closing here on Forex in 20 minutes? Yeah. All right, we'll wait around a little bit. I'm gonna just give it a bit more breathing room and just see if we get something over here, and that's what's up. But yeah, you can definitely tell as the volume's kind of, yeah, you can tell that there's not much happening. We'll see. We'll see. We shall see, my friends. If you have $1,000 account, what will you say is good profit per day? 50 bucks. 50 bucks. And you say, 50 bucks? Is that all? That's somebody's wage for an entire day's work. We get lost in the numbers on a chart and forget that fucking... what? You forget that how people actually make money in the world. They have to do shit physically. Do you trade the New York overlap? No. Nah. No, I don't trade the New York overlap. You missed the breakout earlier, brother? Which one? The only breakout there's been is here, and that was before the session opened. If I'm making $100, am I over trading? Depends what your trading rules are. Are you going to go live in the Asia session? Only for the guys in the mentorship. Yeah, we go live in the Asia session for the guys in the mentorship. Anybody that's interested in the mentorship, danielholmestrades.com. Link in my YouTube bio there. Join the waitlist, my brothers. You got to join the waitlist. We're launching this week. Is it making sense? I put my buy stop on the current top wick. I don't know what you're seeing to want to take that. Like I'm not saying it's right or wrong. I just don't know where your head's at. I personally am not interested in that. But if your system's telling you that it's a good idea, then get it. Buy or sell at the same time, eh? Hit that double clicker. You guys, are you guys in the Discord over here? Free Discord, my brothers. Anyone got any analysis? That's some stuff from earlier. Yeah, this volume's dog shit. I'm probably going to call it there, you guys. Volume's dog shit. I wouldn't want to force anything today. The reality is I'll be waiting for price to get back up to this level up here or down below here. And I would need it to do that in the next kind of hour or two tops. I don't know. What do you guys think? It doesn't seem like there's much volume. What do you guys think? Doesn't seem like there's much volume. This candle's barely moved. Yeah, most don't have a signal. Yeah, for sure. Buy now. Yeah. Yeah, fair enough. All right, you guys, appreciate you guys. Tomorrow it'll obviously be back to normal, but yeah, it looks like dog shit right now. I don't think it's a good idea to trade with what it's looking like right now. So protect your capital, my brothers and sisters, honestly. I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow on stream. Thank you for dropping in. Make sure you drop a subscribe, bros, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right.